Hi, this is Jane with Hug an Envelope and Sterling Creatives, and I wanted to give you a little bit more information about the Create an Album workshop that I'm holding on Sunday, October 13th from 1 to 4. It's open to ages 12 and up. The cost is $45. The deadline is September 30th. It is limited to 10 people. The album that we're using holds 12 pictures, but with the inside and back cover, you can get 14 pictures. And if, depending on how your pictures are situated, we can crop them and you can actually get more pictures in than the 14. You can register for this class at Sterling Creatives, 129 North 3rd Street, or you can sign up on our website at sterlingcreatives.org. It would be helpful if you printed your photos before you came to class, but I will have my printer there so we can print them off your phone. Or if you choose to, you can add your photos later. But I really hope that you'll bring at least some photos so that we can get a great start on your album. The supplies we'll be using is this album. It is 6.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches tall. It has a 2-inch spine. It has 3 spines that have a flip out, and each spine holds 4 photos. So with the cover, the front cover and the back cover, and the 3 spines, you should get at least 14 photos in your album. The papers that we'll be using are these from Simple Stories. It's titled Live Captured. And this is what the papers look like, so you have an idea. They're simple enough that they won't overwhelm any of your pictures, and they're super cute. It does come with some little cut aparts like these that you can use to decorate your pages. You'll also get an ephemera pack, which will have these little papers that you can add to the pages to decorate them with. And there's a good variety of different items. And you will get a set of decorative brads, and there's a few chipboard pieces on this to help decorate. So this summer I spent in Las Cruces, New Mexico. I was helping a friend recover from surgery. And then this is the album that I created from our moments together. I used one of the pages for my cover, and then the decorative brads and chipboard to decorate it with. I have paper on the spine and on the back. And I apologize for the shadow, but there's no getting around it. And then you'll have a magnetic closure. And then here's my pictures. So these were like taken a little farther away, so by the time I cropped them, I could get 2 on a page. And they're not all portrait, some of mine are landscape. And then, you know, some of them I used the full page for a photo. And then I used my computer for some of my little titles. And then I have a label maker that actually I have 2 of them, so I'll bring them and we can use them to do some of the titling if you want. And as you see, I've used the ephemera and the brads to decorate. Okay, I am a terrible selfie taker, but I think I got better as the summer went along. But it doesn't matter because our pictures look super cute, and it captured the moments that we had together. There were a lot of outdoor concerts, like we have July Jams, only theirs goes all summer long. And we went to a Beatles concert. And then we had a medical appointment in Albuquerque, so we went to the Route 66 diner. His daughter came to visit. There's a mosaic horse at the University of New Mexico. We stayed at this cute boutique hotel. It's a former hospital from the railroad, so it had a little history with it. We flew, so I have a picture of us with the airplane. And then we went to the movie, so I photoshopped our heads on the movie poster. So I think my album turned out really cute, and it did capture our moments this summer together. So I hope that you'll pick your photos and come to the workshop, and we can build your album together, and I think you will enjoy the experience. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you there.